opening mystery fairy teddy. I remember I had the bunny one, but now we'll start opening. Tap that part. Let's try to do this, and I need help. I think I need help. So this, how do you do it? I'm fine. Look at this. It's a mystery. It was from the back. You know how did this? What do you do? In mystery. But let us start opening. Ooh, the hearts. It's glittery. It's a clip. This is the clip. Love toothpaste. That means bunny. Look at the bunny. Whoa! Look at it here. I think there's a tab. Let's try to open it. Oh, there we go. We open it. And now let's open. It's here now. Let's open this part. Ooh, what is here? Oh my God. Look at it! I think I'll make this. It's a lovely like a cookie. I need a boat. Ooh, these are food for them. How do you make food for them? And what are these for? We told me to do it. So, first, oh! You can't open it. Anyone to help me? Oh, there! And how we put it on? How? Yeah. And how we put on? Yeah, and there's a clip. Oh! Where is the clip? The clip? The pouch is out here. I know, and I open it. So the baby in here. And it's a clip. And how you put that ring on? So easily shown. So we got the golden. We got the. Hi everyone. I would like doing some cake to make it more faster. Just showing you. And then with the bunny, you take this and you plug it here. And I don't know what it's for. Put the egg in here. And I got my wings. It's her dick. Give me wings. It's her dick. Show you how you get wings. See? See? And then you do that to tie. And then you go back. And now we're in it again. But, oh yeah. Him start here. And there. And there. Here. And there. And after here, dot it. And after we play with it, so you can say, bye, I'm like and try. Please try have 0, so and do it, and bye.